Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have some updates for us on our run glitch, penny list, and clearance list. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, I just want to go ahead and remind everybody that I've already uploaded several Dollar General videos for you all this week, and they will all be linked in the pinned comment down below, and we have some really amazing deals that you're not going to want to miss out on, so make sure that you go check those out if you haven't already. Alright, so for our first update, we're going to talk about the run glitches from yesterday. Now again, if you've missed out on watching those videos, they're going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. So for this first glitch, we had the $3 blankets. Number one, this glitch is still showing as working in my app, all right? Now you can do this glitch at the self-checkout or the regular registers. But again, I scanned a couple of the $8 blankets and a couple of the $10 blankets, and those are still automatically taking off the $5 in instant savings in the app. So again, you can do that at self-checkout or the regular registers. All right, now for our second run glitch yesterday, we had blankets that were ringing up for a penny. Now, I do want to go ahead and apologize because I know that those videos weren't my typical videos. They were kind of all over the place, but I was just in such a rush and the Wi-Fi wasn't cooperating, and I knew that those videos were going to take a little bit to get uploaded and out to you all. So again, I apologize if it was a little bit all over the place. I tried to go back and put details in the pinned comments. So if you guys ever have questions, always make sure that you check the pinned comment. And then I also tried to update you guys on the community tab as well. So I just wanted to go ahead and clear up a couple of things. So we had the $5 blankets. Those were not scanning in the app as a penny. You actually had to take it up to the register for the discount to apply. Now this glitch was for sure still working last night at 9 p.m. Eastern time. I have an employee. They were really awesome at keeping me updated on this yesterday. So that was for sure working at 9 p.m. Eastern time last night. Now, unfortunately, there is no way for me to check this today unless I actually take in some of the blankets that I bought yesterday and go back through the self-checkout or the register or whatever it may be. But if you guys are out and about and you go plan on looking for the $8 blankets or the $10 blankets, if you see those $5 blankets, I would definitely go up to the self-checkout and see if those will ring up for a penny for you. Now again, if this glitch is still working, those blankets do not scan as a penny in our DG app, nor does the $5 in instant savings show up in the app as applying. Once you get up to the self-checkout, you're going to scan the blanket, and then it is going to take off the $5 in instant savings, but it is only taking off $4.99, making those blankets just 1 penny, okay? So that is the glitch. Now, I have one more update pertaining to this glitch. So they were for sure working at self-checkouts, all right? Up until 9 p.m., I can confirm that glitch was still working at 9 p.m. Once I uploaded my video, I was receiving reports that it was working at some of the regular registers. Now, I did try it at the regular register yesterday. I also had a friend that is in a different state try at a regular register, and it did not work for either one of us. However, that does not mean that it won't work for you. And again, if it was me out shopping today, if I was going out for, say, the $8 blankets, if I found some of those $5 blankets and I only had a regular register, I would go ahead and take it up there, and if the discount doesn't apply, just say, oh, I thought that those were on sale. Can you just go ahead and take off that $5 blanket? Now, the flip side to that is if it does work, you will know, and you can go and grab all of the $5 blankets that you want and then go back up to the regular register and check out. Now, here's a picture of my haul from yesterday. I thought this was hilarious. This is actually the back of my van. And guys, this is by far the best and biggest haul that I've ever had since I began couponing. I mean, clearance event hauls, penny shopping hauls. This one takes the cake. And I know that a lot of you guys were able to score as well yesterday. So if you could, please send me in some pictures of your hauls, whether they were big or small. I want to see what you guys ended up picking up yesterday. And you can send those pictures to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can send it to me on Instagram, which is @crazycoupons. And I will have all that information in the pinned comment down below. All right, now, if you guys have been keeping up, I did upload the penny list video on Saturday. However, there have been a couple of quick updates, so let's go ahead and talk about it. All right, so first up, we're going to talk about the fall harvest items. Now, these are currently on sale at 50% off. So this sale actually started on November the 11th, and it's going to run through November the 24th. And I'm pretty sure that I posted about this in the community tab and over on Instagram as well when this sale popped up. Now, on November the 25th, the fall harvest items are going to be clearanced down to 50% off. So not much of a change there. If you guys want to pick up any of the fall harvest items at 50% off, you can do that all week long. But this is definitely good news for us because the clearance cycle has started. These will go down to 70 and then 90% and then penny out eventually. So it is definitely something that we need to keep our eye on. All right, now everything from here on out, we're going to be talking about Tuesday, November the 22nd. So we have green dot home items. Those are going to be clearancing down to 90% off. Now, a lot of these items have been in our stores since the spring and summer seasons. So I'm not sure that these are going to be super easy to find. But you know what? Just be on the lookout. We've got bowls and plates and cups and all kinds of little home decor, flower arrangements and things like that. So again, just be on the lookout for the green dot on the tag, and all of these items will be 90% off starting on Tuesday, which means that those will be pennying out very, very soon. All right, now next up, let's go ahead and talk about the penny list, and this will begin on Tuesday, November the 22nd. Keep in mind, do not ask the employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into the store, look for the items that I'm about to show you all in this video. Make sure that you have your correct store location set and scan the items. If they show up in your app at 000 or 001, that means that you have found a penny item. All right, so here is our one update to the penny list for Tuesday, November the 22nd. Now, I'm not going to say the words, but it is the Flow Flex home test. All right, kind of does something weird to our videos in the algorithm if we say that word. So you guys can just read it for yourself. So be on the lookout for those. All right, and just in case anyone missed Saturday's video, we do have the Halloween items that are going to be pennying out on Tuesday, November the 22nd. So again, there is a lot included in this category. We have the Halloween home decor items. And we also have the Halloween apparel, the costumes, the party supplies, the candy, anything that has anything to do with Halloween, it should penny out on Tuesday. Now, be very careful not to get the Halloween items mixed up with the fall harvest items. A lot of those are very similar and can easily fall into either category. So if you're not sure, again, always scan, scan, scan. Alright guys, so there you have it for our updates on our glitches, our penny list, and our clearance list. Now, if anything else pops up, of course, you guys will be the first to know. Just make sure that you have your notifications turned on and set them to all. That way you will be the first to know whenever I upload the next video. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.